Oh my God. Ooh.
Our team worked really hard for this, so we decided to reward them with this trip up to Lake Dillon. I hope you guys enjoyed the view. Welcome back, innovators. We're here in our home state of Colorado, up in the mountains. We're about to go on a hike and show you a little bit about our state, but before we do that, we got to get our crew adjusted. We just wanted to say thanks for all the subscribers. We hit 20,000 subs. We're here with our team, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get adjusted, okay? You ready, pal? Take a deep breath in. And out, pal. Yeah. And out. Thanks. Thanks, pal. Cool. Do you like getting adjusted?
Yeah.
All right. Breathe in. And out, pal. Say hello. And one more time. Did you like it? Yeah. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in again. And out. Nice. Nice. Oh man, you were ready. I can't tell if it's this bright or just the chiropractic making that green.
It's a little bit of both. That was fantastic.
Go. Oh, and go. And out. Nice. Go ahead and look up here. Okay.
Oh my God. Ooh. That was wild. Ooh.
Wow, here you go. This is awesome. Yeah, this has been a fun hike. Definitely worth it. Got about 5 more minutes to go to get to the lake. What do you think, buddy? Are we going to make it?
Yeah.
We made it! Yeah! Woo! To the top. This is beautiful.
Daddy ready?
Wherever you guys.
Ready?
You ready? I want to give a special shout out to all the subscribers and helping us reach 20,000. This channel definitely wouldn't be possible without you, and we're just getting started. Dr. Randy Cracks! Is that an airplane?
Yeah.
You like the airplane?
Yeah.
If you love watching us do these adjustments in beautiful places, you're going to want to click on this next video right here.